Miss Darlings of all nations!
I'm back in my drawer over here.
Tonight, actually, we are going to...
Hey, Miss Darlings of all nations!
Tagal nila! Grabe! Nung
Knock on some damn wood. Work. I'm back in my drawer. Over here, my favorite. It just takes so long for me to get videos too. I barely even scroll through my things of what I want. Like, literal doesn't get overwhelmed or
Hi guys! Tonight, actually, we are going to get coffee with my cousins, with our cousins. Kasama natin siya. Hindi kasi ako sanay lumabas nang hindi nakaayos naman talaga. Anyway, we'll get ready na ako guys. Time-lapse na lang natin po. Ayan, so right now guys, just watching CK the
we're gonna explore.
Guys, I was supposed to get ready, pero tinatamad ako guys. So just leave with lashes na lang, and then blush. So this one is from e.l.f. This one is the Halo Glow Beauty Wand blush in the shade Rose Slay, I think. That's the thing. I also have here blush from Milky. I think I'm going to use this one instead of these. Very tinatamad ako guys with makeup. This glue is one that I still use. This one is from my mom. So this one is Got to Beauty. I wanted this for so long. Grabe guys. I have been seeing this sa YouTube talaga whenever I watch my favorite foreign YouTube vloggers. True enough, ganda talaga siya guys. Cannot use the microphone, the GoPro like this one kasi hindi kasha. So medyo hassle talaga. But it's okay.
There we go. I'm very techy guys, so kaya ko siyang gawa ng paraan. So okay lang naman kahit, alam mo yun, medyo hassle, pero okay lang. At least, you have the equipment and you make it work. Diba? That's also how I widen my skill set talaga guys. Anyway, I'll do my eyebrows na guys. Guys, I'm very happy kasi nagiging consistent na rin ako when it comes to making TikTok vlogs. Kasi nasanay ko yung sarili ko na mag-vlog sa TikTok. At the same time, edit ng edit. Ganyan. Para masanay na yung katawan ko, yung mindset ko. Para hindi ako, alam mo yun, nawawala ng motivation, ganyan. So talagang halos everyday ako nagpo-post. And sana ma-apply ko din siya sa YouTube ko guys. Kasi medyo nahihirapan ako sa YouTube. Kasi, of course, yung clips, diba? Ganyan. Tapos, when it comes to editing, alam nyo guys, kahit basic editing lang siya, umaabot talaga siya ng hours. Pwede ko lang gawing template na yung mga bagay-bagay at isalpak na lang lahat ng ganon. Diba? Di sana hindi na nahihirap. Pero you can save it naman as preset. But, the thing is, yung timing kasi, siyempre iba-iba yung mga gusto kong timing kada video, diba? Parang, hindi naman lahat same timing. So, well, okay lang din. Kasi nga, I get to widen nga my skill set, ganyan. I get to explore further when it comes to the editing applications and such. YouTube has been my university talaga when it comes to things that you don't get to learn in school. So, ganyan yung makeup. I didn't learn this at school. Itong mga pag-aayos ng phones, ng laptop, anything techy or whatever. I always go to YouTube. So, I have been in YouTube for so long, a viewer as a watcher. Now, I get to also share content, ganyan. And I'm so grateful for my subscribers kasi they still watch my videos. Minsan nakakasad kasi you only get to have 30 views, 80 views, but at least you have those views, diba? Kesa yung wala. Pero minsan natatamaan lang ako ng sadness because I spent hours and hours editing and then, you know, pero the efforts aren't wasted, di ba? Because I do this for memory haul, actually. Para lang may outlet ako ng mga gusto ko i-share, ganyan. Saan pag naboboard ako, pinapanood ko yung mga videos ko before. Blessing to even document yourself. To even have a privilege to document yourself, guys. Not all people have the means, di ba? I always recognize it. Minsan pag nalulungkot ako, ang arte mo, te, Buti nga ikaw, diba, meron kang kakayahan. Na-upload mo, kahit walang nanonood, kahit onti lang nanonood, diba?
Hello,
guys.
hello. Hi guys. So, we're here at... Ayun yung tinatanong ko sa'yo kung okay na ba yun
Lang ako din natatakpan
Hey, dearest darlings of all nations! We're here
We're doing
at...
a vlog takeover. Kasi alam namin si Ate Francine, hindi yan mag-vlog.
Yes!
Tamad kasi yan Gumagawa
Yes.
pa ng YouTube account, tapos di naman nag-vlog.
Correct. So,
Dapat yan kayo na gumawa ng video para meron tayong ma-upload.
daming views nito. Andito kasi kami.
Tama!
We're here at Nafi Cafe. Tama ba?
Ano na, Fe?
Nami Cafe.
Ang layo ng name. Tingnan mo yung pangalan.
Cafe, ano pala?
Hindi namin alam kung Fame o Fame.
Basta, Fame.
Fame daw,
Cafe.
sabi ni Ate.
We're waiting for our...
Other cousins. No, we don't need that. We're vlogging, okay? Nantay pa namin sila Ate Carla and sila si Cheche. Kasama ba si Iska?
Here are drinks. Ay, sorry. Bayante.
Sorry,
Nagbablog na.
take
Ano yung
two,
vlog?
take two.
So, here's our drink. I have blueberry latte. Yours is?
Chocolate frappuccino. Ano yung sa'yo, Ate Francine?
Spanish latte with oat milk.
Ayun, si Jaja na yung nag-explain, guys.
Busy siya.
Talaga, yung mga magaganda muna yung mag-vlog ngayon. Yung pangit yan, magbasa lang yan.
Correct! Like, na-offend siya. So, ang kape namin ay 150 pataas ang pagkain. Pares! Hindi para tayong baliw dito.
Okay, babay muna guys, kasi nakakahiya mag-vlog.
Kami lang yung maingay here.
Tingnan mo yung isa, focus na focus siya sa pagbabasa
Paano
niya.
kami kilala?
Kaya nga. Hindi ko alam ba't sumama pa yan, nagbabasa lang naman dito.
Ayun mo. Yes, uwi na nga tayo, eh. Bye, guys.
Bye! Guys, medyo nakaka-bored pala mag-antay, no? Sila, ayan, si Jaja nag-cellphone na. Si Ate Franz hindi pa rin tapos magbasa. Seryosong-seryoso yung mukha.
Hi,
Ay,
guys.
naganda-ganda.
Tagal mo.
Jeep na daw sila. Saan ba kayo nag-ano?
Siya, tatalang ba tayo?
Yo!
Wala pang review. Exam na namin sa Monday.
Kami, OJT na, guys!
Na-defend mo natin. Na-defend mo na.
Oo. Bookbind na nga eh. Guys, guess what? Nandito na sila. Ang tagal
Hi, guys.
nila!
Narinig ba
Grabe!
ako, guys?
Nung oras na 7 or 8 yung usapan. Tapos anong oras? 10, 12 na, guys. Bruh.
Hanggang 1 a.m. tayo dito. Hello? Hello? ganito tayo. Salita ka. Say hi.
Hi!
Gaga, so.
Hi!
Hi, guys. Patingin. Pwede na talaga. Lagyan mo naman. Brat girl. Brat.
Vlog takeover ulit. Kasama ko naman si Cheche. Ay, at hi! Sa cellphone ko na tayo mag-vlog. Bye-bye! Hey, dearest darlings of all nations! Dun, dun, dun. Ba't gaganon tayo,
Ano sasabihin? Hey, dearest
Darlings of all nations. Darlings of all nations. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello. Hello na po. Ulit. 1, 2. Hey, dearest darlings of all nations. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, dearest darlings of all nations. Another vlog takeover dahil wala na naman yung may-ari ng vlog na to. CR yata siya. May bago kaming kasama, si Iska.
Bagong recruit ng Wings Club.
Galing pa siyang Maynila, guys. Hanggang kailan ka dito?
Bukas. Tomorrow.
Ba yan? Tapos ngayon ka lang nagparamdam.
Pupunta ulit yun dito sa Pasko.
Oo, buti naman, buti naman. So, may chika ba kayo today, guys?
Marami na. Tapos na. Natapos na. Nasabi na.
Walang matapik ka po. Nakakaya din pala mag-vlog, guys. So, bye-bye.
Tama. Ako na lang to.
Tapos na yung vlog takeover. Para lang may malagay sa Ate Francis sa vlog niya.
Mga ilang minutes ko to. Gusto ko 1 hour podcast.
Wala na, 1 minute. Naka 2 minutes na
Podcast
kami
si Ate
kanina.
Francie tayong apat. No?
Anong topic natin? Tagal natin, Francine.
May mga special leaves.
Yung iba nga, Powerpuff Girls na yun. Bye, guys.
Sabi mo ni Ate Jaja.
Taking me weeks to do this. Camel says it's good. Also, guys, I really don't want to jinx. Really good. Knock on some damn wood.
I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it.
All right, guys, we are on our way. The reason why they're amazing is because they're the
You can find me under the tree. I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You know where I'll be.
Hindi gagawin. Gawin natin. Q&A. Hindi gagawin. I say Sa akin ay sweetheart. Sa akin ay Philippines. Ako ba? Same question, pero tayong tatlo ang isa sasagot. What's your favorite color? Yellow. Mine's blue. Pink. Anong favorite ng movie? Watching the Detective. And Home Alone. Ano yung K-drama? Hindi. Ano? Pinkill yan na yung tsaka na yung music. Ano? Home Alone at saka The Dream. Ako, Trevor vs. Prada. Saka The Dream. At saka Princess Diaries. Ay, oo. Lahat ng nasa 2000s. Favorite yan.
Anong favorite yung ulam?
Sinigang. Kimchi fried rice na may spag.
Anong favorite yung fast food?
Bakto. Wala. Anong favorite? Ano sabi natin? Second to Cherry White? Yes. Ako ang second ko is Indian Mix. Bakit ba yung tayo? Tita Carlo din eh. Ay, hindi. Nabash pa. Ano yan? Kasi Macdo. Basta ako tayo. Anything Macdo kakainin ko lang to.
Vacation, destination.
Sa Italy. Ako sa Europe. Kahit saan. Kahit saan sa Europe. Gusto ko lang Europe. Kuya Miguel, alam mo na. John natin.
Oo.
Hindi.
Oh, yes, may idea.
Yan mo.
Dati. What's your biggest fear? Ako heights tsaka dagat.
Paloobat ako. At bumaba yung battery.
Realistic yung kaya.
Ako ano, kampante ka may dala kang pera, pag nasa store ka, wala ka pala dalang pera.
Todo ano ka, no? Todo bili ka, no? Tapos wala ka pa ng dalawang
Hindi nasa cashier, ay shit, tas wala ka pa dalang
Isa nga ba ng pila?
Hey dears, darlings of all nations. Today is January 1st, 2026. Happy New Year, everybody, and belated Merry Christmas to everyone. I haven't been vlogging for the past few days. I have nothing to be vlogged about. I just want to say that I feel like 2025 was a roller coaster ride for most of us, and I just want to say that I am always grateful for the things that I have been receiving, for all the blessings that were showered to us. I couldn't think of anything negative anymore to be. I feel like I don't have of that anymore. So I'm just grateful that my 2025 was a good ride. So yun lang guys. I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you are all safe and sound and been enjoying the holiday season with your families. And I also just want to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next one. Hi!